This Century 21 Prestige Realty property video is presented by Malene Cuizon and Janice Johnson. Minutes to LRAFB, shopping, and restaurants. This spacious home has a large kitchen with a ton of storage and oversized laundry room. This home includes a bonus room that can be used for an office or craft room. Master's bedroom has his and her closets as well as a private bath. Fenced-in backyard with covered deck. Large workshop with electricity. 2-car, electric garage with walk-in closet. Fresh paint and updated light fixtures. Excellent investment opportunity due to its proximity to LRAFB. For more information, review the details below.